Hello and welcome to the Directions for Excel module for Moving Our Us company. Go ahead and open the attached workbook. Click in A4 and type January, and then use your fill handle and go all the way till you get to December, which should be A15. So this is similar to like a checkbook. So you have your starting balance, and then some income comes into the company, and then you have to pay out expenses. So you need to find out for the month based on your income and then your expenses, what do you have left, and you'll add that to your starting balance to receive your ending balance. So in E4, the formula is equals your income minus your expenses for January, and then I'm just going to check mark. The ending balance is equals, I'll take the starting balance plus the net, which is the difference between the income and the expenses for the month, and that's what you have for January. So you just made over $11,000. So I'm going to select both E and F and use my fill handle, go all the way to row 15, and we need to find out what our ending balance is. So if our ending balance in January is $511,019, what you need to do in B5 is equals and click F4. So it's taking the previous month's balance, January, and carrying it over to the starting balance for February. And you should see the same value. And then go ahead and use your fill handle. And in the end, you went from 500,000 to 602,000. So that's pretty interesting formula. So if you wanted to see your reveal formula, you can see that the formula is basic formula C4 minus D4, which is an absolute cell reference. And then the ending balance, another basic formula, is to take the beginning balance of the month, add the net for the month, and you have your total. So and again, it's the same columns. The only thing that changes is the row, and that's your relative cell reference. And then you'll notice that the starting balance for February is whatever was in F4. And then again, the ending balance for February is now in for March starting balance. If you'd like to, for the title, main title and the subtitle, you can go ahead and select merge and center, make the font a little bit larger. If you see it chopping off here at the top, so I can make it a little bigger, see you can't see it all. If you ever have that, just double click right here between the boundaries of the rows, and it makes it so that it's visible. And then do the same thing for the subtitle, merge and center, maybe not as large. And if you want to change the fill color, you can. And that's a save and submit. Thank you.